This is a nice image I like that shows individuals from 3 different populations. You could think of them as from 3 different continents, like Asia, Europe, and Africa. And this is the DNA we all share, and this is what's different. Something like less than 5% there. This estimate is around 4% that of the variation is specific to this region, and like 4% is specific to this continent, and like 4% specific to that continent. But most of it, like 96%, is shared across all people, no matter where they're from. And any 2 particular people only differ by about 0.6% of their genome. That's 0.6% of 3 billion bases. So it's a very small difference between any 2 people, but it's enough that we can sequence that and say, wow, you come from Europe, you come from Africa, you come from Asia. And we can even get as specific as, like, if we do the whole genome, you come from this part of Europe and that part of Europe, because that tiny, tiny fraction differs enough that we can tell people their geographic ancestries from that. But it misleads people into thinking we're all really different, when they lose sight of the fact that most of us is still shared. It's just this tiny, tiny, tiny fraction that differs, but we can use that to tell you your ancestry or your disease risk or anything else.